Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add video to your listing on Facebook Marketplace. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now, you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. So now all you need to do is to go to selling and search for your listing where you want to add the video and then click on the three dots icon or option and then click on edit listing. And basically here you will find the add video button and you can add a video for your listing. And basically the thing that you will need to know is that this feature or the video feature is only available for selected buyers, selected sellers for Facebook Marketplace. And this feature is basically to get a selected seller is random for the Facebook Marketplace. So basically you can have if you have the add video button, all you need to do is to click on it and you will be able to add a video for your listing and then click on update and the video will be saved. So basically this is how it works. Thank you for watching and see you next time.